adventures waiting past the gate. From roaring lions to frogs that sing, let's meet the animals wild and king. The lion in the wild goes roar, roar, roar. The elephant stomps with trumpet, trumpet more. The zebra in the grass goes clip, clop, neigh. The giraffe walks tall with a hey. The monkey in the trees goes ooh, ooh, ah. The hippo in the river goes splash, splash, splash. The crocodile snaps with a snap, snap grin. The rhino snorts loud with a gruff, gruff spin. Flamingo flaps wings with honk, honk, wee. The ostrich in sand goes boom, boom, see. The cheetah runs fast with a swish, swish sound. The baboon barks loud from the rocky ground. The meerkat chirps with a peek, peek, peek. The snake slides by with a hiss so sleek. The jackal calls out with a howl, howl cry. The owl at night goes hoot, hoot, high. The tortoise walks slow with a step, step sigh. The eagle up high goes screech through the sky. The warthog grunts with a snorty delight. The camel groans softly deep in the night. Adventures waiting past the gate. From roaring lions to frogs that sing, let's meet the animals wild and king. The buffalo bellows with a stomp and snuff. The frog in the pond goes ribbit in a puff. The antelope prances with bleat, bleat cheer. And all the wild sounds ring far and near. We danced, we roared, we sang out loud. With animals wild and jungles proud. Come back soon for more to see. And don't forget to subscribe to me. With stories, songs, and learning fun, we'll sing again, the wild's not done.
Hi, little friends! I'm Sparkly, your Golden Star teacher. Welcome to Little Star Rhymes, fun learning, bright songs, happy smiles, and yes, totally ad-free fun, because learning should always be joyful.